Good Life, so the man, the Tyrone. Give them your phone number.
Alright, my name is Tyrone. Alright, my phone number is 781-1422. I'm around at Katchen all across from MegaMart. We're cooking soup. We have two types of soup cooking. We got a red peas with chicken foot, chicken neck and cow foot, fish tea with pumpkin. That's how we did, no bone. Yeah man.
No, Montego Bay. How long you been here?
I've been here for what, 20 years.
20 years?
Yeah, but I've been doing this here for roughly 2.5 years.
So all the returning residents want to feel safe, all the man can link with you.
Straight up.
So them can get the flow down, connection, mechanics, safety.
No problem.
You know them people there?
No problem. We're there here. You see that young man that leave here, that's the car. He just leave just now. He's both of us work here as a team.
Okay.
Right. When I don't know, he knows. If he don't know, I know.
Got it. So you are the Montego Bay link.
Exactly.
Because this is Jamaica Good Life, right? And we're global. Make us see the pot.
There it goes. At this time, a little bit late. This is where the pot reach. Between an hour and a half now.
What time you start cooking?
We start at roughly 9 in the morning.
9 in the morning?
And then we reach out by 11:30. So since we get out, and now it's what? Around 2 o'clock or so? Yeah, 1:32.
Yeah.
This is where it is. And over here now, fish tea.
Whoa, fish tea.
Yeah. What we do, we have food in our fish tea, and this is a pumpkin base.
Yeah.
And we have our okra. And what we do, we debone the fish. So we scald it, remove the bones, and replace it back. We scald it in the same pot.
Yeah.
Put it in a mesh so we can separate it so it doesn't mash in the pot.
Real time.
Then we take the bones out, then we replace it.
Respect.
That's how we do.
Deal with the lady.
Yeah. How you doing, madam? We got a red peas, chicken foot, chicken neck and cow foot, 153 and 5.
153 and 5.
No food? No soup.
Money done.
Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it.
If you want to change the money done, you love done.
Alright, so just soup, she said, maybe a little meat. No meat? No meat, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So that will be 2. No problem.
So who's that pretty woman in the car? Your sister? Oh, Toronto pretty, and you're pretty too. Where you come from? Pretty country, and Jamaica?
Yeah?
And which part you come from? Which part you come from?
Right over here.
Oh. And the eyes them pretty man. Take care.
Yeah, man.
Alright brother, so yeah, you do it now. What inspired you to do this, and when you
Food
start?
is the starve of life, man. And inspirations come from just trying to make sure that you can take care of your family and do what is right. That's where my inspiration comes from.
Okay. How much
my mom always tell me, turn on and make fashion.
Yeah.
Don't sit and relax and don't try to do nothing. Make
None of that.
Yeah.
So now you are your grandmother did teach you for the thing?
Not really. I move amongst my grandmama, my grandaunt, the family base. And that's where I get my knowledge from. I didn't go to any institution to actually get that cooking knowledge, but I've been to institution just to get a certificate. That's what I mean. So I've been to the art where I get a certificate, but that was like for food and beverage. We are working restaurant here at Hilton Rosa for roughly 7 years.
Wicked.
Yeah.
So the last time I eat the fish soup, When I eat the fish soup, I say yes, it's official.
Alright, so that's 750.
Take care of yourself, alright? The last time I eat the fish soup, man, I say yes, that man, you know what I do. Because he's a soup man,
Yeah, the boss I do it, man, you know where you go.
He's a chef?
Yeah?
Are the chef there?
Yeah, man, we all work together.
Yeah, remember say tell me about the soup again.
Alright, so right there you got okra, you got the pumpkin inside, you got dashi, you got breadfruit, you got sweet potato, and dumpling.
Wicked,
Right?
wicked. No, tell them what keep you strong in the morning. Like when you get up, how many kids you have?
First thing I do, I drink a cup of water. Drink a cup of water. If I need some tea, occasionally I do, but sometimes I don't.
Mm-hmm.
I eat so roughly about 9 o'clock in the day. I hear me eat my dumpling, I eat just about any food.
Yeah, yeah.
Fruits.
Yeah.
That's
So
water.
you know your kids, how many?
Two boys.
What age?
One is 3, one is 6.
Send a shout out to some family.
Yeah, man. So my kids, they got Tyrone, you know, and you got Tariq.
Mm-hmm.
And then my spouse, that's Shakira.
And you're married?
Well, not as yet, we're getting there.
How much years you with her?
Well, 7 going here.
Alright, so the fans are going to say it's time.
This time.
Alright, so them are going to come in. They might come to the wedding because they have your number.
That's cool.
So now, love the smile, love the energy. Montego Bay. When you hear the word Montego Bay, everybody, you know them, I think, immediately.
Yeah.
Scamming, bad,
That's-
me now, go there.
But that alone, it alone runs Montego.
Talk to it. What runs Montego Bay?
It's a people. It's a people. It's a blend of everything. It's not just one. And it's a place where you got a mix of everyone. You know, so it's a blend of everything. I won't limit it to say scamming.
Yeah.
You know, but you'd have to go and put your part in.
You have to come and see for yourself.
Yeah,
because-
someone have to really come and see for themselves. It's a blend of everything. It's not like Kingston where, you know, it's a main business in Kingston, but it's changing from that.
Yeah.
Montego
No.
Bay is more, it's actually getting bigger than even that.
Yeah.
To me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And 20 years you've been here.
Yeah.
And talk about safety. No, to advise safety for returning residents.
Yeah.
How them should move. Do's and
Alright,
don'ts.
move in groups. It's the best way. Move in groups.
Got it.
And with groups, it helps you to, you know, more than one height. A person don't really attack someone if you're moving single. You know, when you're moving single, that's where it's challenging because you're prone for someone to say, okay, you're looking, because I mean, everyone is here.
Yeah.
Everyone is here. Don't say that, okay, no one is here. People is here. You have the good, the bad, and the difference.
Yeah.
They are here. You know?
And
that's
how-
life.
How do you stay safe all these years?
Yeah, man.
You mind your business, watch your friends.
Exactly, you know, just being positive, you know, do positive things and, you know, treat people in a positive way.
Yeah. Give them your number again.
Yeah, man, 781-1422.
Good. If nobody
Yeah, man.
call you, don't
Yeah, man.
don't stick to the foolishness and the
No, man, we
nice.
understand that part.
Stay focused.
Straight up.
Now you introduce me to your friend.
Yeah, man, so we have Brad over there.
Mhm.
He's the main man in the kitchen.
Oh, and him do the thing.
When you talk about customer service, we
Aye.
have that one more. Yeah, we have red peas, chicken peas, chicken and pork. Okay.
Yo, people, check this out. This is the cow foot right now. Right, I'm in there, Montego Bay. Katchen where? Katchen,
Right across from
MegaMart.
MegaMart.
Taste the breadfruit. See, right, MegaMart, right there, so. MegaMart, a tire shop. Wicked. Man, I do them business and I take care of them family. Man, I do them business in a Montego Bay and I take care of them family. So, how old are you?
38.
Have you ever traveled?
Recent.
Now, what was your profession before? What you used to do before this?
Alright, I started out in the market because that's where my family.
Market? Like your family and market
Yeah,
people?
market.
Wicked.
Yeah, man. We just know about any little thing when at the market. So
Mhm.
I started out by carrying stuff on my head for people like the baskets when they come and shop. Yeah. And then I move on to walk and sell like bag juice, popcorn, stuff like that. Then I move on to selling fruits and vegetables. But you know, in between that you go to school. But I mean, I didn't get the class complete because of
So you want them Jamaican, they will stick to it.
stick to it. So when I started out, that's how I started out. And then I sell fruits and vegetables for roughly 2 to 3 years. Get lost in the mix of it because of losing my goods when the government stepped in and tried to change stuff on the street, things like that.
Yeah.
So that's when I changed up some stuff.
Now, this is a big question. Here comes the big question. There's a lot of people who want to make it.
Welcome, Sally.
One changes.
Right.
But you don't have the money now.
No problem, Sally.
You see?
Yeah. Alright, you think you're going to bring a container, but that's something for somebody want?
Eh?
No problem.
No, I'm happy, man.
Yep. We're not even have to talk somebody want. Have you had the interview? Alright. So you want everything in here, right? Everything.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to mix it for you, I'm sorry.
Eh?
Want the mix?
Wow.
Want the mix?
Set up here you want, man.
So you look like one of the granddad of the area.
I'm like, how old are you now, Mr. Ali? About 80?
The boss, what you tell me it's too big here.
71.
Not gone. They lose one
You
already.
lose one already. Alright. I'm gonna lick it with 81.
They lose. You know how much? Now 83 years of age now. And me have 15 girl picnic.
Yeah.
And 10 boy.
Alright.
15 girl child and 10 boy. And me know 3 or 4 when I get me name. Through circumstances. You see? 1966. They are told now when they are told then send come tell me. A 3 woman up a regional hospital. They are baby for me. 3.
You sure you want the story have to get out to the world?
Eh?
Yes, go get out to the world, you know.
3. You know, and when it reached in November me year, and when it reached December, me head white. Fret. Because me not work. Me not do nothing to support the 3 of them. And when you want the better part time, the 3 of them were in the hospital. A 3 friends.
No artificial insemination, because you couldn't do that.
Eh?
I know you do that. 3 friend? You lick down 3 friend? Where I deal with in this country, sir? Are you them for arrest? Are you mess up Jamaica?
No, he might enjoy life. It's just, to me, he's enjoying
So
life.
you're the real king.
38, man. About 1938.
So the woman them they love you.
Oh, God.
Was it the money or the charm?
No, me never have money yet. Never have.
So how you do it?
Eh? Just love.
Honesty, sweet talking.
When me have it, me give them.
So,
When me have it,
you give.
not one of them ever say, well,
So you said 15 girls
15 girls.
and how many boys?
10. 10 boys.
And them all love you. So the family gathering and the family get how much grand picnic you have?
Eh?
How much grand picnic you have?
Well, me don't know.
So, me should I call you last count. And last count me if I call you.
You know, sound go one of my daughter. He can tell you everything about his sister and brother, them and this and that. Yeah, man.
She very interested in you, that's why.
You know, she there America. Yeah, America. But if you ask her how much grandkids, she tell you, say, well, this one gone 4. This one gone 4.
I thought you were coming to
Yeah, man.
So wait there. Do you remember all their names?
Yeah.
All the youth them name. All of them. You remember them name? Can you run it off the top?
Puzzle me sometimes.
My lad.
Pause.
You are the real general.
Puzzle me
You
sometimes.
help to populate this beautiful earth. Thank you. So and you take care of them.
Yeah, when me have it. You see right now Christmas I come and start fret. You know.
But then
Me have it no care woman what. Me have to can donate something.
So what kind of work did you do over these 60 years?
Well, I'm 60.
You say you're 83, right?
83.
But 60 years, how long you work?
I work.
65 years.
No work so much.
And what kind of work did you do?
I used to do machine operating at Intercontinental Hotel. Well, from 1980. A man don't say, well then, I take a work. Cause them say me get old. Yeah.
So now, you them take care of you, right?
Yeah, and I hear them always.
Take care of you. So now you're international now, your record, when you add the number together, what you get now? 15 and what, 11?
10 and 15.
25. You are a king among us, the only one me have. You're a better man than me. You bring more life. You say me, we honor you. What is the secret to stay calm and cool with so many different women and children? What is your leadership quality and trick where you can teach the younger man them?
Just be nice.
Like Marcus Garvey said, be cool.
Be cool.
Respect. My elder, love you and rate you to the max. Alright? This is going on Jamaica Good Life. The world are going to see you. You're a legend. So
I got three of them. 3 with 4. 1 up 4, 1 up 4, 1 up 4, 2, 1 up 2, 2, 2, and so on.
brother, it's nice meeting you. I'm Randy.
Yes, sir.
Soupy?
Yeah.
So you have, so you have 4 or 2? 2? So you're way behind, brother.
Yeah, by far, but I'm not worried.
You're not worried. 2 is good.
Yeah, 2 is better
All right.
than none. And 2 is better than 2 minutes sometimes. If you know how you want to say that thing. He did his side, and I mean, I give him his.
Yeah, man.
Right, you know?
One is enough for me. Me give him all the love. One time I didn't want 300. At 300 me didn't want, you know. But the money wasn't that strong.
Yeah. That's right.
You see, cause I could have get 300 at 300 would have take, you know. But maybe one day me win the lotto and still can go at it.
Now look at him, past president of Donald Trump. He has how many?
Donald Trump? How much he have?
Something about 6 or 7.
6 or 7?
Oh, Trump.
Still reaching a girl again.
You're a trendsetter, brother. When me come back in the next life, are you?
Oh yeah, we need to know.
People, see that? No. Tyrone,
Alright,
you have it.
respect.
You have it, brother.
Yeah, red peas and chicken and fish thing with pork.
So yeah, the Tyrone gone over the world now. How long?
Your wife let me have right now.
Yeah.
Oh, one.
Your wife you have right now, of course you have. How many years you married?
7 years.
7 years. Alright, sir. So you know, no.
This month is our reunion.
So you know, no daughter you can give me. I'm 15 years now, brother. He's a good man, you know. You never drop, you know.
They're too far.
They're too far. Come with them. Alright, come with them. You know they know it.
You have nobody.
You feel it?
One of them do.
You feeling good, man. You are 15.
Oh, sorry.
You have to adopt me as a son. Bring me out the family. Bring me out the barbecue, the next barbecue and introduce me. You see me? Me's a good man. You see, so me have my teeth them. Never go jail. Right? Never get handcuffed. Okay? Police never stop me. Never stab a boy. You see what I say?
That's
Never
great.
got robbed.
That's-
Never fire a gun. You see me? 31 years now firing. Never get in trouble. See that? So me earn one of your daughter them. You see when them in Africa, they come to the king and say, King.
Promise. Next time I see you,
All right.
I introduce it to them.
See boss, you see Tyrone, thank you for the soup. You see what I'm today. Man, the king bless me. I'm just a peasant. And the man.
Keep on drink a lot of soup
All right, sir.
and a lot of porridge.
Mm-hmm.
You see.
That is a
Keep on do
secret.
that.
At 25 you have. So you do something right. And the more girls, you's a blessed man because a woman make you a man, you know. Because them the girl the way you have, and them make you so nice.
Pretty face them, man.
Yeah.
You must see them face.
Boy, we need to come at the barbecue. Brother, I love you. Give me your first name again.
They call me Pretty Lee.
Pretty Lee. So you have a little touch of Chinese now.
My name is Leopold Taylor.
Okay.
Leopold Taylor. I don't know my mother, you know.
Okay.
I never even hear my mother name.
Ooh.
She died in child's birth.
Okay. Sorry to hear that. But instead, you replicate the energy. Since you never know how you say, you know what I'm going to do? We're going to have 15 of them.
I don't know enough family in my mother's side.
Wow. He's a strong Jamaican, an icon among us.
Never. I mean, I don't know nobody. I never hear a man talk my mother name. You know.
Tell me about your father. How was he?
My father died when he was 50. He was a Queen's bodyguard in England. He was a soldier. Jamaica, or he leave Jamaica as a RAF when Jamaica just started was American, becomes a Queen's Guard.
Yeah.
He guard the Queen. I never knew my father until I was 15.
So you are only God adapt you then. That's why you just replicate God.
That's why I love God.
Because God adapt you. Don't say nothing more. We leave it at that. Hopefully I meet you and I'll get to meet the Empress then.
Okay.
All right? Where you live?
We'll meet again.
We'll meet again, the spirit.
Right round here.
All right, not tell nobody. All right. We'll meet again. And when we do,
We talk.
we'll talk.
Because I leave my wife, planning God, of our mom.
All right, my love. Nice meeting you.
Choo choo.
You. My name Randy. And it's a pleasure.
Don't forget, when you go and tell your friend, you meet a man named Pretty Lee.
Pretty Lee.
The whole town know me. Anywhere you go and say, the baby that born last night, and say, you know, Pretty Lee. No, I'm going to say, you know, Mr. Lee. Him say, Pretty Lee. Him say, Wando, you're police? No, he carry and show and said, this is Mr. Lee. Ask him. Everybody.
Real does.
Pretty Lee.
Pretty Lee. I will not forget. Pretty Lee. All right, so take care.
Here, you too.
Blessings.
It's a pleasure meeting you anyhow. Love you.
Thank you.
I like how you approach. Your approach.
Thank you, sir, for the word. Tyrone, come over here. Boy, let me talk to you about this, brother. See, I travel the world, you know. See, I'm gonna eat food and good things. So I want to give the 5 good star. You get it. Keep up. No, the big question I want to ask you is.
Don't forget the blue house.
That's you.
The blue one. Now you pass the green.
See it there. Got it. Take your time. Walk slow.
Yeah.
So now, Tyrone, the big question, you know, big question. Yeah. The big question there. Because enough man of foreign want to do business, they want to invest. That's the first thing where they want to come and do. based on your disposition and based on your energy. And this is say you want growth. Right? So, what do you say to the elders? Them? You're there Montego Bay because a man might say, you know, I want to invest in somebody. Want a turnover. I want to probably get a shot. You know, the man need for...
Yeah, to put himself, because in a sense right now I'm looking forward to create an opportunity so I can actually start my own home. And I don't start this.
Build your own home.
Yeah, because I have to be paying rent at this point. So at the end of the day, I'm looking for opportunities to make myself better. Not only that, I can have my own, so my kids can have, you know, their own space. And so forth. So, I mean, I am willing, you know, I know myself like that. I try to be as honest as I can.
Yeah, I'm ready to pick it up, you know. That's why I'm going to ask many people a question
there. I try to be as honest as I can. So in a sense, I mean, if somebody is really looking somebody to invest in, I put myself forward. You know, I try to give it my best shot. I'm willing and open for improvement, because I'm not going to say, okay, yes, I have all the answers. No. Based on what I'm seeing here in Montego Bay, and everybody realizes Montego Bay right now is one of the booming, you know, part of the country right now. When you talk about investment, when you look at MegaMart here, for example, when you look at Katchen, you're looking at Red, you understand all these areas around. You know, because when you're looking at Red, you know, all that side. You know, they're extending out to Granville. That's a new school that created. Have one in Johnsall, you know, close to Johnsall. You can actually call St. John, right across from the landfill. You know, I am aware of that. You know, it is booming. More people want to invest in.
So for a restaurant,
yes, restaurant is a must. Food is a stuff.
So with you, with the soup and another brethren,
and other stuff, because I'm not limited to just cooking soup.
Got it.
No, but I'm being creative. I'll do this. Pandemic. Yeah, red beef.
Jamaica Good Life. Let me tell you something about Tyrone soup. This is Tyrone soup. It's ready. Come on now. In energy, right for investment. And everybody may read and ask a question there. And everybody have the heart of a man who go to the market, carry things on him head, cook him soup. Man to go be 20 years. You know, I retire. I want to partner up with someone to do a business. This man look like the man. I'm going to tell you, the soup, you know, the soup is not too salty. I know some notice the soup not too salty.
No, God. You have to look for everybody.
How many years you buy from Tyrone? Just that? Yeah, man. You know, too salty.
Here we can get a lot of new customers.
So if you...
Everybody likes salt. When you make it no salt,
Make it then add it. I like him soup because, you know, some people soup you can taste a spice of salt. And not too much spice neither. Good job, Tyrone.
Yeah, man. The price here, but when I burst my pepper, I just put it in the pot of it. Boil.
Yeah.
When it boil, you pop off its aroma.
Yeah.
And then you can remove it if you want. But I leave it sometime because I have some person who like the pepper. So when you come and want the pepper, I can drop it in the soup to them. If they don't want it in the soup, we still have this one. Yeah? If you want the real one, we cut it.
Okay.
Cut it. Sometimes we have it cut, but we don't want to waste it. So we don't really cut it up and put it down, because sometimes cut up my man. It's not, sometimes the soup fell out so far, sometimes some person might not really get a chance of getting it. So
if you were to have a restaurant, where would you locate it?
that's a good thing, because I mean,
Cause that spot you had to know.
I know. To be exact, I would have to look for it. When I look at beef, it make it much easier. Yeah, red beans, chicken, put chicken egg and coke. No problem.
Are the chef that? This a man, this a chef? What's that the real? Good Life back. This is the whole Tyrone soup. Again, I travel from Vancouver to South Africa. You know, Jamaica. You know, I travel. And, you know, me's a soup man, you know, brother. And I cook, I do my thing.
Yeah.
And me like where me use soup to get to man. Hey,
Good thing.
me put a breadfruit in our soup one time and she couldn't leave me. Brother, couldn't leave me. I want to go tell his mother, say me put something on him. Me say a breadfruit.
Inspector, yeah, red beans, chicken, put chicken egg and coke. Fish stew, pump.
No, I come back.
No, pump. What's that?
Give me what's it? Cold.
Hey,
What's it?
me don't like how you avoid me. You avoid me. You know, introduce me to the pot. And you are the chef.
Same pot done, man.
When you done for the day?
Done liquid. Pot done, but everything can come in.
Come early. What time when you start cook?
We start now. The breakfast start at 7 to 7.
Me check on. Alright?
But when the food ready, we put my 8:30. Open 8:30.
Yeah, man. Soup every day for me now. Now I'm going to put it on
But when the soup really starts, at 11:30. So we try to meet.
11:30 it tastes. 12 o'clock is perfect.
One of the soup thing for the jar and
Eh?
soup in the work out sometime. It's picked up better.
I get you.
But I didn't inspector here, man. I soup we send us still to inspector.
No, sure that's soup. I didn't sure no.
Like you have a cocoa in there and cassava. A dash in. Okay, but you say. You know, play with it because you're a countryman. You're a St. James countryman.
Yes, man.
You're born and grow yourself.
No, the born in Spanish Town.
Spanish Town, okay.
Because my mother and father migrated here. In the earlier years. And then, after born, yeah man, I get everything I have.
How many years you buy from him? How many years you buying from him?
Good time, man.
How many years you buy from him? Okay.
Alright, there was another man used to be here cooking soup. He's still here. Right around here. Yeah man, he's around there. But since me start, you know, it's a different thing, it's a different flavor. I just had a different flavor to it. I'm not, it's competitive.
Yeah. Soup is a competitive across Jamaica.
Yeah man, right across, because it's not just one person. Everybody.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Yeah, man, they have Katchen Hall in
Yeah.
front of the MegaMart. And we just met this man, global famous. Give me your number again, so.
Yeah, so the number is, my name first, Tyrone. The number is 781-1422.
Right underneath the tree. This is Tyrone. At the fish soup, me did have first. but because I'm doing a show, people, you know, so I put down on the meat, I had to get the mix up. no cover it. My belly long, you know. I'll tell you something. You see there? People, when you guys come from the airport, call Tyrone. You see me? Right, let me tell you something.
Yeah, man, you better call Tyrone.
Yeah, what? This is the fish soup. Now, here, Mr. Here. All you have to do when you come from the airport, once them search the MegaMart, right? On Google, tell the taxi driver, one MegaMart.
One MegaMart, and just come right at the red and white shop. Red and yellow shop.
Yeah.
Red and yellow, right?
So everybody will come to Jamaica must not eat anything. You show me a try to show them.
Try the red seed soup, and we call it leather. Because of the cow skin.
You call it
cow skin. You know, is what used to make leather, right?
Yeah.
So we said you have the leather. So you can have the cow foot with the chicken for the chicken leg, or you can have the cow skin with the chicken foot. So we make a blend of it.
Cover them for me.
Yes.
In hot. So you said you did something special with the okra.
Yes. The okra is good, you know. Okra help, especially for the ladies.
Yeah.
You know, and it's good for the man too. Okra help to put on help them with them hips.
Okay.
You know, ladies who have the hips. Yeah, okra help with that too. Because they eat a lot of okra, it helps to, you know, when you just leave it to boil, right? Because a free flow.
Okay,
You know, because that moisture they help you with your joints and a lot of parts. It helps you to have a clean skin.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So, you know, I recently read about, you know, what okra does for a lot of people. You know, like ladies now. Helps them if you boil some water, cut the okra in dices, put it in it. Right. You can drink it, or you can have the water with the okra and to rub on your hips. Yes. You know, so you want to have good shape. You know, talk about the African woman. I'm not saying just African woman because right now it's not just limited. Because if you, it is starting with African woman. Medium size come up, no problem. So the African woman is where I get this thing from.
Yeah.
Right? And they use it to enhance the hips. So instead of going to the doctor to hack the hips, you don't have to do that.
Okay. Then eat it and rub it up.
Yeah. Eat it and you boil it with water, just boil up water, put in it and leave it to soak for 5 minutes. And you use it to rub the hips. Yeah? And you get results in roughly a month.
Are YouTube you see this one? Yeah. You said to me.
And many other things.
Well,
So
Tyrone.
you can just type in, you know, what to do with okra. How okra help you with skin, or okra help you with hips, and all of that. And it will tell you.
Yeah. So basically, yeah man. People, what they are catching now. Surrounded upon it. The lion never stopped. Always a hunt. Jamaica Good Life. Come back home. Drink some soup from Tyrone. Right out of the airport. You see me? The real thing, the real place. Always come and check the real people. So now, about 5 o'clock you're done? No. More soup than before. time now?
Boy, it's done it off, brother. That's in the tree. 243.
And everything done today was so good.
And I go so today.
So now,
Yeah, man, yes, Steve.
When you-
Appetite start to open a little better.
when you wake up in the morning, a word of inspiration, what inspire you in a life or people or music?
I enjoy going out and give service. You know? So when I wake up, first thing, I just make sure to put myself together. You know? That's yeah. Get yourself ready. You just want to talk here. Because I like to interact. I like to share what I know. I like to learn new things.
Yeah.
So that's what energy. You know,
Got you.
yes, I think about my family, I think about them a lot, but I think about this.
You enjoy what you do.
I enjoy what I do. That's why I do it every day. I don't worry about it. Just do it. Even if I'm not making big bucks, I still enjoy it.
You love it.
I don't let nothing, if I have some person say I'm bad day, I don't look at it as a bad day.
What month you born?
March.
March, okay.
I
Easy
just
go.
look at it as a challenging.
Yeah.
You know, because challenging is not here for us.
Yeah.
We have to face challenges.
Yeah.
Because you have to do bad things to know good things. Because if you don't do the bad things, you're not going to know the good. Because you're going to realize, okay, this is bad. That's why you're going to move away from it.
Yeah.
And that's why I know that the most successful people in life is the one that goes through a lot of challenges.
Challenging.
Because if you make a lot of mistakes, automatically you're going to reduce.
Learn from it. MegaMart. Affect you much?
Yeah, affect me somewhat. The reason being I was in Florida when it started. Right? So I was working at a restaurant, a country club. And it started, it closed on the 10th of March. I was there for like 6 months.
Yeah.
So because of it, I exceed my time because the country was closed. And I get the chance to come back to my country in June 11th. When I reach back.
Yeah.
So it affected me because I ended up sitting down for roughly 3 to 4 months. No work. And I had a vehicle there. That's my vehicle. I take it out.
The boxing.
I take it out through the box. Then I do the payment. I was doing the payment while I was there. When I get here, everything's slow. I can't do what I normally used to do. I am a licensed fisherman.
Yeah?
Yeah. But I don't have a boat.
Okay.
I don't have certain things to get it going. You know? So I have to try something.
Yeah.
So I have to So yeah, man. That's it. So I have to try something. So that's the thing. And this friend of mine that I show you, the young man here, this is his thing, not mine. This is his. But he helps me a lot.
Yeah.
I have to give back. So what is going on now? It's just keeping me going. Make sure my family can eat and drink. Yeah. But right now, nothing much is not going for that because I'm not earning to pay for it. Right? So I'm trying to create opportunity. nothing is nothing unfolds.
It looks new. Of the year.
11.
Yeah.
I have it for roughly what, 2 years and something, going 3 years.
And you would never let a man run a taxi with it?
No, reason being, not as it is.
Okay.
And it's not like I wouldn't make someone run it, but guess what? You'd have to put the thing together to get it done.
Yeah.
Because it can happen.
Oh.
It takes money. I would have to go to the transport authority, I go to the taxi association,
With the red plate.
get the red plate, all of that.
Yeah.
And insurance gonna go up. You know, all of those things have to change. You know, some things will have to change within the bank and policies and so forth. That will have to work out. That comes with money.
Yeah.
I don't have that with present. I have to be paying my rent, taking care of my kids, making sure that they survive. They're going back to school starting, but you know, they have to eat and drink. You know, whatever necessary things that they need, I try to make sure they have. Give thanks for the spouse that I have.
How has your wife been supportive over
Yeah,
the
man,
years?
she-
What makes you really, if she's listening to this and
Yeah.
say, you know, Tyrone, I like what you say about me, what would that be? What would you say about her?
Yeah, man. She tries her best to be there for her. You know, I used to be there for her when she wasn't working. You know, when in fact in the times of the kids, she couldn't work do anything at that time. So I take care of that. Now that she's able to do it and I'm not, she's doing it. So I'm giving her that credit. I have to. She deserves it. You know, because she makes sure that rent's paid. Even when I can't do it, she do it. Food, if I can't do it, she do it. Even the necessary things for my kids for school, she takes care of it. In fact, she's working like 3 days per week. She's the one that being home, making sure that they do their work, school works, all of that. Last night I went in, she's making books. A book with the different letters
For the kids.
for the kids. The proper noun, common noun, all of that. She's doing all of that. She's like the teacher.
So family fun day, what is that like for you guys? What do you do?
Well, for me, I'm not saying that I'm not a part of it. I'm a part of it. But because I'm more focused on this side, sometimes I go home, I'm
Tired.
a little later. You know, but she brings it to me. I look at it. You know, I give her credit.
Opinion.
You know,
Yeah.
I try to put in what I can because that's what it's like. Because I don't normally be at home. But whenever I get a chance to go home with them, have a little fun, I do it. But I can't do much because of what is coming. You know? And when I can get them something, I do that.
Give them your number again.
781-1422.
You see, the thing I like about you, you're one of those survival dads. Whatever you have to do. If you have to go wash plate.
I even go and do little fishing. When I came here, I do little fishing. Sometimes I get like 5 pounds of fish. I try to get it sell.
So if a man get a boat, him no can set you up.
Yes.
That's what I mean.
Because I have
Your license.
also, and I have fish finder. I have fishing rods. I have, you know.
Would the fishing business be more lucrative than?
Yeah, it would be a little bit, I would say, because I mean, if you go out there and you catch like roughly, say, 30 pounds of fish per day, average. You know, you can get like, depends on the type of fish that you catch, you can get from 5 to 700 per pound. So it depends on what you catch. You can get roughly, I put it roughly 15 to 20,000 per day. If you can make that per day for the week, you take about, depends on how much person is gonna do it, so you're gonna need a second. So whatever you earn, you gotta take something for the boat, you gotta take something for
Gas.
yeah, and so forth. So that has to come out of it. So you can make more than that. Because if you do what it takes to catch it, then fine.
So you
can make more.
You'll be a good business partner for fishing.
Yeah.
See,
So
that is
and nothing is wrong about this.
nothing is wrong about it, but
But that's what my passion stuff
Fishing.
goes for. Fishing. But I love it, so I
how
do.
much does a boat cost?
Well, I mean, it depends on the boat that you're looking for. It can be 6, 7 if it's new.
7
8.
million.
No. From 700 in Jamaican. It's in US. You're looking at roughly 5 to 6,000.
6,000 US.
And you can get that with engine in some places. But if you're getting something new here, you're talking about $1 million something.
Good. So
that's
that's
roughly-
this is good for people to think about.
Yeah.
With $1 million investment and someone like you, the
Right.
profit can be split up.
Exactly.
Simple investment, you do the work. No brain power, you already have the license.
That's
You have good days and bad days. You can't run out of the boat, go Cuba.
no, I'm not interested in that. because
I'm just kidding.
I know, but the reality is there.
Yeah.
It's the reality.
So
Guys, I know a person do it, but for me, I'm just trying to make sure that I
take it to the next level.
Exactly.
That's the kind of investment people don't hear about.
That's true. And that's what I'm looking for.
Good. Because a lot of people out there want to invest, you know.
But they don't know.
It's the people,
they're
it's the
scared to
person,
invest.
it's the person.
That is
Jamaica is all about the trust factor.
Exactly.
This program, Jamaica Good Life, meet good people, develop relationship with people.
Yeah.
I have farmers planting stuff for people abroad.
Yeah. Yep.
I link up with people. So trust me, when they see your interview,
Yeah.
they're gonna call you.
No problem.
Because in no time, them have money up there, sit down and know what to do. You see what I say? So Tyrone, I go run,
See.
but tomorrow I come back. Because as the second day I come,
Yeah.
and today I'm there in my yard and I say, you know,
Yeah.
strictly so. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, man.
I'm going to edit it tonight.
It's a pleasure.
You're up on WhatsApp, right?
Yeah, man.
All right,
Same
respect.
number.
Randy,
Grand.
let's see you tomorrow.
No problem.
Love.
Keep the faith.
Well, listen.